Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment.
Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, power moonroof, a trailer hitch, and power seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.